Gregg Shorthand Writing for Beginners. Lesson for today is, according to the rules of Gregg Shorthand, the brief forms word is written R and K. Yesterday, EST, glad, GAL, circular, SERK, order, OD, soon, SN, enclosed, NK, was, OS, thank, overeat, that. Okay, next. For the brief forms derivatives and phrases. So, thanks, overeat, left S, disjoined left S. Okay, work. RKT, gladly, GLE. Okay, next. Ordered, OD, Jagdi, thank you, overeat, oo, thank you for, overeat, UUF. Okay, so that's the end of brief forms. Okay, next is the sound of U and then UU. So, from the word does, it is DUUS, drug, DRUUG, up, UUP, product, PRODUUKT, none, NUUN, number, NUUMBR, enough, ENUUF, must, MUUST, as, UUS, just, JUUST, adjust, AJUUST, precious, PREISUUF. Next lesson is brief forms and then words beginning. Hope you understand and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and keep safe.